I want a real bird that today. I thought it was a statue.
Yeah,
Look.
man. That's funny. Do you think that you want to?
No, babe. Some people are wondering why my eyes are so red. I've been in the ganja. This Reds. I don't know if you remember, wifey told you all that she lost a family member. So we're in Jamaica and a 2 funeral we're here for, and this is one of them. This is not a funeral, but this is a send away per se. So you gotta watch Kai now. Kai never see goat and them thing there before. Eh? You have to put Rasta on everything.
Yes, I. Respect. Family, respect.
And this is elegant.
Yes, I.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
We show off the calabash them the last
Yeah,
time,
man.
you know, so now I'm gonna say this is the person that made them.
You want some
See?
more? Plate.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You have them?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yeah.
We're forward.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Come, now carry on to drive for them up for us.
Alright. Alright, so the last time we was down here, we got some calabash. Calabash is like, now all of my Jamaican them are gonna beat me. So far, you know what calabash is? Calabash is, it looks like a coconut shell and they have a design. So that's the Rasta man that did it. That's actually wifey's family as well. Actually everybody over here, pretty much. So I am do the calabash them for it. And the calabash them have been worn out, them split. So we need new calabash. So we're back in Jamaica again. I gotta get new calabash. Watch this. See this? See this? This I gotta pick you up. So you have to walk through it. Leggy. Leggy. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Watch this.
I'm gonna take up some so anytime you want. Me have it. Yeah,
Beautiful.
Man. Yes, man.
Don't go in there, Pop.
Pop's going when I be.
I got trample the medicine. Trample the medicine.
Yes, me. Yeah, man.
Nice.
Yes, man.
So some of them look like...
Yeah, this one me just newly plant these and them the one they I plant before. So them the one they are ripe for one.
The ones up somewhere, but up already.
You can't walk in, man.
Yeah, if you walk in, him gonna follow me. I mean, I want to follow me and mash them down, you know? I just use the zoom and go in.
Yeah, good. Yeah, man. Them the one they are the riper one then. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You have to see feel when you come a yard, man. That's what I say, man.
See it?
Yes, man. Rastafari. Respect.
See it? So...
Goat.
Come and tell them about it, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but now is a beautiful actually.
Yes,
to be
man.
back again, you know?
Yeah, man. How you mean, man?
Yeah,
More
so...
life. I want you, man. Every time we ever ask for the item, man. I'm cutie say, no, alright. But when you call on cutie always tell you, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so... This is, remember the calabash, so everybody, well, I got everybody fascinated with the calabash and thing, and I tell them, say, yeah, I get it from a true Rasta man. See, and they must say, everybody was like, yeah, did he do the designs on them and everything like that? I must say, yeah, he did. See me? And he did. See? Yeah, and this is, yes, and that mean I gotta tell them.
Shaki family.
Because she have her own channel and she name them know her as Brains on the Beat.
Honestly, being pregnant during this pandemic has been pretty hard, especially on pregnant women. Our baby showers are being cancelled, gender reveals are being cancelled. We can't share this opportunity with family members, and a lot of this stuff that's happening can also cause pregnant women with the heightened amount of hormones, can cause pregnant women to go into depression. Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl.
Okay.
Seeing? So Shakira, this is her family. This is her family, her bloodline. This. Seeing? So it's a joy for be here.
Yeah, man.
Joy for be here. Watch this. I want me zoom in and show them this.
Yeah, man.
Let's climb this tree real quick. Watch this. See that? Alright, don't go in there, you know. Stay with daddy. The baby them over there, so.
Yeah, I may have some more upon this time. Let me show you how we set the seed.
This is a lesson in the cultivation of herb. Actually getting a lesson right now in the cultivation of herb. See? I'm going to show you how we set the seed. Watch this, watch this.
This is how you breed and get your own seed. All these I breed them to get my own strain. Like this strain me don't want to leave me, so I'm breeding it. So these are all man mixed with the woman. So you got, when you do it like this, you're gonna get lot of seed.
How do you know which is the man?
Okay,
which is
this
the
one
woman?
is the woman. I show you. See, this one is the woman. You see, you have a hair like the woman. See, we carry the pussy here.
Seeing.
Good. And see the man here now, we carry the seeds. Yeah, this is the man. So when the two of them combine now, they breed one another. You see when this bursts, when the dust bursts, you breed this one. You breed the woman. Yeah, man. And so we get the seeds.
Whoa.
That's why we can't out of seeds. And now see the young nurses, they know them one they know may have them to finish plant out in the land. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And see all these now are breeders to get seed. I mean, I want this strain leave me for it's a quick strain.
Yeah.
Fast. Yeah, man.
So when you say quick strain, you mean like it comes...
Quick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready already?
Yeah. Yeah, man. Fast. Even this one now is a muffled, so you don't make it stay night. This is a man and woman. You see, the yellow part here is a man, and the other part here is a woman. So this one now you don't make it stay in the field. But if you make it stay in the field, you're gonna have lots of muffled. It's more harder to take care. But you just only man you want like this one to breed the field, but not this one. If you make this one breed the field, you're gonna have see that here even bursts already. So I'm still gonna get if I'm couple
of this
yeah, man, said way. But show me wait till it bursts.
Yeah.
I shouldn't wait till it bursts. But show me busy with already something you know, me kinda, you know, sometimes I lose a track.
Yeah.
But that's how it go. When you see from your chemist and you know it good, you can find it anytime. Yeah, man.
You hear that? The man explained male and female are just like nature, just like man and woman and child. Yeah? And that's how the herb come. Wow.
The man breed a woman.
Say it again,
The
Ras.
man breed a woman. Just like a man would have inhale a woman and breed a woman, just like that. But the dust from it breed the woman.
That's deep.
Yeah. The dust from the man herb breed the woman. Yeah, man. Every time. Yeah, man.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Wow. And then so the baby them nurse.
Yeah.
Them ones over there, so now them.
Yeah, you plant them differently from the breeders. You get herbs from them like the one over there when you plant them, but you're gonna take out all the man and leave the woman. Yeah.
It's a science to this. It's a science to this. You have to know this stuff.
Yeah, man.
No wonder why me did try plant some and them dead out.
Come let me carry. Come.
Freddy.
You know what I'm carry?
Yeah, so me plant some and them dead out. So some obviously me never know none of this.
Where you use the container?
Yeah, me use a container and at the time I was living in an apartment still.
Yeah.
So it probably never get enough sunlight, water, anything like that.
Sometimes you have to like put him outside and make him get like the night zone. That's good for him too.
I never know them thing then. I never know them thing then.
You only grow a woman in the pot, no man. Take away the man and leave the woman, and that time you're gonna get the herb.
Sure.
Yeah, man.
You hear that?
Yeah, man.
Wow.
Before you leave, me I go show you some of the man in time. If any time you young one come up, me I go show you the man different in time them one they come up.
Seeing.
So you go there for a couple of days. So you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I just show this a bit here now.
Tropical paradise, you know?
Yeah.
Jano.
No, that's a cause.
Come, Papa, come.
No, go there, sir.
You ready? Alright, I'm ready to go back up now.
Yeah.
Alright, come, Papa. So listen, that was a real lesson right there, and I had no idea. Now I know exactly why I tried, cause I tried breeding. Wait,
Cashew.
that's cashew tree?
Yeah, this is a cashew tree, but it's just blossoming now to bear. Because the spring is coming on now. So you're gonna have lots of fruits on it, little more. Yeah, man. And the mangoes, you see the mangoes on the tree, lots of mangoes.
Watch this.
Yeah, man.
So you see,
Yeah, man. You're right behind.
food and medicine out there in abundance.
You're right behind.
Yeah, we go around a couple times already, you know, that him want to do.
You know what, man?
Listen, this is a tropical paradise, okay? Food and medicine in abundance. And let me tell you something. When I'm out here and I see all these, watch it. The amount of white people I see out here, people, and they are just chilling. Them not afraid of nobody. They walk all late night, walk road by themselves and everything. Jano, look at this. Here's the beautiful part. This is their backyard. Y'all know how expensive cashew is, right? Cause I love cashew, but you know how expensive cashew is, right? Alright. Them have cashew right there, so. I see okra back there, so. Ganja they back there, so. Them have coconut, them have mango, I see yam, I see sugar cane. Yo. That's why I say every time, if I'm in the US for too long, I gotta go back to Jamaica and like reset. This occasion we're not here on no celebration thing, right? But we're celebrating because we're celebrating his life. And them are Rasta, so them not really believing in the mourning and them kind of something that, even though his passing was accidental. And so I'm amazed. I'm glad and I'm honored that he would actually get on camera, because if you know anything about them, they're not like jump on camera and tell all their business, especially take you into their ganja fields. Yeah, man, I enjoy my vibe. So over here now, and Jamaica is not a place where you push the camera up in people's face, especially if they're at a private event. When you know it's a COVID I keep right now, so people are kind of separated on all these things. So behind me, there are a lot of people gathered, and because we have to be tested in order to board a plane to get back to the US, what we're doing is we're kind of attending event but staying away from the crowd. So we're out in the bush. See? We're way out in the bush and they're attending the event. People are pretty much separated here though. You know, they're pretty much separated. People are wearing masks as well, but they're more or less separated, not really in the mask thing so much. But this is we out in the bushes are way. We out. So we the foreigners are still being cautious, because we know when it's time for us to board the plane to go back and they do the test, they say you tested positive. And here's a note for anybody who's gonna visit. When you visit, you might want to go everywhere and be involved in everything. But if you do, be careful, because if you pick up anything, when you get ready to board the plane to get back, you're going to have to stay on the island for at least 14 days. They will quarantine you for at least 14 days, or until you test negative. So you do the math. If you take your month to test negative, and they test after 14 days and you're positive, you still won't be able to go back to the States or to England or to Canada or wherever you come from. So you have to be careful when you reach here. As much as you want to embrace everybody, hug everybody, love up everybody, talk close with everybody, you can't do it, you know? So yeah, COVID still affects you like that, but life goes on and people out here living life. See? Yeah, snapshot. Half of this I'm probably gonna have to half of this I'm probably gonna have to bleep out because music is playing and YouTube doesn't allow us to play background music from certain artists. So they will either copyright infringement your videos or they will take the whole video down depending on what that artist requests. If the artist said let it run, but I'll collect all the revenues off the video, your video might stay up. If an artist says no, I'm offended, take the video down because my music is in it and they didn't contact me for permission, then I could lose my whole video. Alright? So yeah, so with that. I see. Yeah, Auntie Cutie. Papa. Right now, Auntie Cutie, I gotta show me something. Yeah, that's where I come from. Because Elegant carry me. Elegant just carry me over there. And give me a lesson too.
Three house up there, we move off. And when they move off, half of it of you to make your house and half of it elegant. If you want to take pan aside, you come down. No elegant, Pat in Baba. Up this up.
Yeah, come give me a lesson.
Who?
Elegant.
What do you?
Give me a lesson in the herbs and how you set them and things. Because I try to grow some and nothing never happen.
Yeah.
So I wonder how them dead out so.
You have to put them in a bag and put ants powder upon them.
I never know none of them.
See ants powder for your way?
Mm-hmm.
Ants powder you have to put upon them. Look, the piece of ganja are pretty.
Mm-hmm.
And you re-pull it out tight already.
Nice.
Papa. Oh, but yeah. You see, I'm going to come to funeral. That's up.
Yeah, yes.
Tomorrow. So when
Sugar
you
cane.
come tomorrow, no have time funeral, I carry you up and so go show you up there. You see better view up there.
Alright. So I see bird nests in a tree, the bird them enjoying themselves and these things. Eh?
We have to put some curry chicken plain rice so that they don't see so curry they can't get today.
What Shakira said, because for her time I move on, you know, I just the driver. When she said go, and what them have planned. No, me I say what them have planned, me just a drive.
No, I'm not going to wait for me and carry on the French fried chicken and the gravy. So I'm not going to wait for the curry and I'm hungry.
And this is, when you hear we talk about Auntie Cutie, this is Auntie Cutie. So for those of you who never seen the videos before, we talk about Auntie Cutie. This is the woman where she's the one that lost her son. And I was telling wifey, says she's strong, her spirit is strong. You know what I say? Because she just lost her son and she could be like, whoa, weeping and wailing and them kind of thing there. But instead, this is what she's doing. She's catering to other people. And when we come in, her food is the food for us. Food cooked outside, on fire, and them kind of something there. And she's always there for us like that. You know what I'm saying? So we come live some good life, some different life, and some different vibes. You know, I learn to appreciate life and love life. Truly, get off that grind. Cause we're up on a grind. When we're in the US, we're on a grind. Whether you like it or not, we're on a grind. It's get up every morning, do this, do that, be this place at that time, get that. When you come here, it's like decompress, breathe. If you notice, I'm sweating, and I feel like I'm sweating because I'm sweating out toxins. I feel like, and it happens every time I get to Jamaica. The heat here is the same temperature as it is in Florida where we live, and I don't sweat like this. Every time, as soon as I hit Jamaica, the food different, everything different, and my body does start let out stuff. So this is my little piece of paradise here, man. So big up to Westmoreland, big up to the people them from West, and the place lovely. As a Clarendon man, I can say that. And I've fallen in love officially, not only with a woman from Westmoreland, but with Westmoreland itself. fallen in love with her family, and I've fallen in love with where she comes from as well.
The brains and the beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned here.
I have something there. I would like to take you closer, but I'm not going to do that. Now zoom in a little bit so you can see it, and then I'm going to cut the video out. So enjoy. Say bye, babe, before I cut off.
Bye.
Alright, so this is the first morning. Let me make sure the mic on. This is our first morning. Can I tap your eyes, no man? This is the first morning out. We arrived last night. The bush are full of cow now, watch this. See a cow there? See that? One cow right there. We're coming down the street. See them there? Oh. You know some brag every time I there in Jamaica. That one here is a bull. It's a young bull this, and him not frig with nobody, you see him? Them say I have to drive around me dog. See him girl there? I must see his sister that. See the next two in there so. See some more there. Mommy cow and all these things. You know I'm a brag, right? And I'm a brag because of this. Them cow here eat bare natural food. So you're saying you're ready for stew beef and all these things. The meat seasoned already. This is how we talk about, see?
All day now. All day.
Yeah, nice around here. So we're the place where we're staying this time is a bit off the beaten path, is what they call it. But there was a lot of life out here though last night. Coming in. I mean, just quiet all day long, Kai. Anybody know what that is? Please tell me. Our junker full up for them house stops or something, alright? Something not right. People have built up some nice house around here though. The next left. No left not there, mama. Watch your GPS, I tell you about take the next left. Watch your next left. Yeah, but look on the people that might build up them things around here though, no? Well, I tell you. This look like one crooked pastor build a church around here. Yo, watch your junker perch on the top. I want a real bird that today? I thought it was a statue. Yeah, look.
That's funny. Do you think I do want to?
No, babe. I must want to start to that. Would the wing them? No. Watch the next one go join him. I said, this is how we do. Look there.
Can you sit down?
Yo. Me never see them do that yet.
Thank you. Mommy.
Yes,
Bird.
Bird.
Yeah, people are gonna build up them place. The amount of junk upon that the roof, they do something, alright?
Normally when you build house, they kill something.
You know, my ninja man was something, not right?
So you normally kill.
Alright, so yeah, it's actually a Hebrew Israelite principle that Jamaican people follow, and it's you're supposed to kill an animal and you put the blood of that animal on the doorpost of your. I don't know what I'm talking about. Leave it in the comment section and let make wifey go read about it. So that's how you know, so you can't stray too far from your traditions, roots, and your culture and thing, because these things are embedded But yeah, kill the animal, put the blood on the doorpost, and then you paint over the doorpost so the blood is there forever. It's like a sacrifice, you know? Sacrifice to the creator. Them kind of something there. But yeah, some of the road around here, if you come around here in dark nighttime, it dark you. Frig! It dark out there. But nobody now bother you around here. The place is extra peaceful, man. Extra peaceful. And I'm gonna still say this. You're gonna see white people, them. They're out here. And they're living without fear. Out here without fear. I'm trying to make a t-shirt for them. Called Out Here Without Fear. Them not nothing for fear. They're doing fine. See it? Nice. What the God more or something like that. I don't even want to drive fast when I'm here. Seriously. I just want to soak in everything. Somebody got build up something that's so too. See there, no? Oh, by the way, we're right next to the sea. Let me cut this vlog until we get to something more exciting before I'm boring to death. Hold on there.